Hello, in this video we will be going over how to make alternatives for specific organizations and then how to make alternatives for specific categories such as gluten-free, dairy-free, or vegetarian. Let's go into menu items and you'll go into the component level. Let's pretend we are making an alternative for the barbecue chicken sandwich. We'll click on barbecue sandwich. And let's say Little Acorns the school calls, and instead of getting the barbecue sandwich, that's a gluten-free, dairy-free, instead of getting the barbecue chicken sandwich, they want to get the turkey Swiss sandwich for their field trip lunch. This is an example of if you're doing an alternative for a specific site. So Little Acorns is a specific site. You will scroll down to the alternatives box and you will type in the alternative that you want to add. We're going to add turkey Swiss, and then you'll find the correct alternative and you'll click the plus sign. Now we want to add it to a specific organization. So we'll go under that drop down box and we will search Little Acorns. And then we will add the alternative. We can check to make sure that that was added correctly by scrolling down and looking sandwich, turkey Swiss field trip, Little Acorns Montessori. Now, when we go to place the orders for this, so an example would be Creative Scholars wanted the same exact alternatives. So when we pull up their ordering site and go to the third, they have the barbecue chicken sandwich, but they also want a turkey Swiss. So when you go down, you'll see that this menu item has a line and an asterisk next to it. If you scroll over it, it'll show you what the substitution is. So substitute the barbecue chicken sandwich for a turkey Swiss sandwich. Same thing. So this one has an alternative as well. So substitute the barbecue tofu sandwich for a Swiss sandwich. Great. So now that's working perfect. Now, let's say we want to add, let's go delete that quick. We will delete that. Beautiful. Okay. Now, as you can see down here, actually let's go to beef burger because then we can pull up creative again. So we're going to go into beef burger, and let's say that we want to add the alternative for the vegetarian option. We'll scroll down to alternatives again, and then we would search what we want to make. So the veggie burger. We would then click veggie burger, and this is a category. So vegetarian is a category, gluten-free, dairy-free is a category. We would search under there, and then vegetarian, it's already being used, so it's not generating, but vegetarian would generate just like gluten-free, dairy-free is. We would click it, and then we would press add alternative. Now if you go up, you can see that the veggie burger is in here as the vegetarian alternative. Now how this is going to show up on their ordering profile is we can pull up Creative again because they were on there. This vegetarian and gluten-free, dairy-free shows the category alternatives. So it's not the line because it's not a specific organization, it's a category, so it gets its own box. So that is how you make alternatives.